Good evening, everyone, and welcome to tonight's edition of the Flagler Weather Info video brief. This is our brief for Flagler County weather. Just a reminder that the data we use to put together this forecast comes from the National Weather Service office in Jacksonville, Florida. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what a beautiful day across the county. We had some morning fog and a cool start with lows right around 60 degrees or so across the county. That fog and cloudiness burned off by mid-morning, revealing mostly sunny skies with a few puffy clouds in the afternoon, and that lasted right through the sunset hour. We saw high temperatures between 78 and 82 degrees across most of the county. Right along the beaches, we saw high temperatures there, generally 73 to 78 degrees. A little bit cooler right near the ocean itself. Now, looking at the weather map, a large high-pressure system that's over the western Atlantic essentially is going to stay there for the next few more days. That is keeping a deep tropical southeast wind flow right over the region and keeping that warm air coming up from our south and bringing it right over us, which many of you out there like that just right. Anyhow, let's take a look at our forecast for tonight. Fair skies initially, and then we expect areas of fog to develop overnight, mainly between midnight and sunrise. Some of the fog might be thick in places where it does manage to develop. Winds out of the southeast about 10 miles an hour. Those winds decreasing steadily to near calm overnight. Maybe a little breezy at the beaches, but generally calm winds overnight. Low temperature bottoming out right near 60 degrees by sunrise. Now, looking at Sunday, a rerun of today, maybe some fog in the morning. Some of the fog might be really thick in places. Once the sun gets up and mixes up the atmosphere, that fog will burn off pretty rapidly. We should be out of the fog by mid-morning. Another sunny day with a few puffy clouds in the afternoon. Temperatures will peak once again close to 80 degrees. Some places a little warmer than that. Some places cooler than that. And if you're in Flagler Beach, the Hammock, and Marine Land, it'll be cooler there. But if you're in Bunnell, Western Palm Coast, or over in Mondex, it'll be warmer over there. Looking at the winds tomorrow, southeast 10 to 15 miles an hour. Of course, it'll breezy right along the immediate beaches. And that's why it's a little cooler at the beach as well, since that ocean is still rather chilly. Sunday night, a rerun of tonight. Fair skies to start with cooling temperatures. And then fog redeveloping between midnight and 6 a.m. Sunday night. Light winds out of southeast. Monday and Tuesday, same thing. Sunny during the daytime with morning fog, high around 80. Cool at night, low near 60 with some fog between midnight and 6 a.m. on both nights. Wednesday, maybe a slight chance of a few showers with a passing front. And then things cool down a little bit. Maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. Maybe some cloudiness or partly cloudy skies. And then Saturday, maybe a little tricky forecast. We'll have to wait and see. Some of the models are predicting some sort of a weather system moving into the Gulf of Mexico or the southeast over the weekend. It might bring us a rain chance. Some other models are saying, not going to happen. So we'll have to wait and see on that one. So just stay tuned on the weekend. Looking at the beaches, surf running 2 to 3 feet. Sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more. That surf temperature is 61 degrees. If you're going to the beach, it's beautiful out there. If you're going to sun yourself, the best weather is going to be basically after 10 a.m. and right through the rest of the day. Thank you for watching, folks. Please tell your friends about us. Share our videos. Get the word out about us. This is the only place you will find local Flagler County weather is right here. Myself and our team of weather forecasters keeping you updated on Flagler Weather Info. Thank you and have a great evening.